Hey guys, just wanted to do a card share. Right now, because of my whole eye situation, it's kind of funny. I have to, not real funny, it's not funny at all. I have to color, in order to kind of really see to color, I wear these readers. And they're pretty strong, they're the +2s, but hey, do what you gotta do, right? So I just wanted to share some cards that I did. This image is from Whimsy Stamps, Time for Tea, Sweetheart. Let me make sure I'm framing. That's this image right here. And I didn't necessarily do her for Valentine's Day because obviously Valentine's Day's over, but I just thought she was just so cute. And so, because you know she's got her little heart here on her dress, and so that's why I did the heart here. And just some lace and one of the doilies I got from Miriam's shop. So that is my first card. And then we all know how I love me some Saturated Canary. So this is my second card. And I just matted her on some papers in a corner here, some bling, and flowers and burlap, some pearls. So that's my Saturated Canary, one of them. Then I have another Saturated Canary, and she is colored. Hopefully it comes through in like a really light pink and like a really light sand color. The paper on this paper is this paper was just some scraps, so I don't know what it's from. But this is from the Amore, the Paper Studio brand pack that came out a while ago. So that's that one. And then my last one is another Whimsy stamp from the We Stamps. Her name's Iris, and she is so adorable. I had seen both Whimsy stamps. I had seen someone else make something, a card or what have you, just something where they use those images, and I just thought they were so cute, so that's why I got them. And I just love her. She's so cute. So I used the Princess collection on this, the new Prima collection. Well, I don't know how new it is, but it's new to me. And I sewed the two pieces together. I borrowed my mom's sewing machine, so this is the first time I've sewn on cardstock. And then I have some laces and of course flowers. I dotted some stickles around her and then just put some flat back pearls there. So that is my last card. Oh, and on this one I did, I used liquid pearls. I'm like, duh. Liquid pearls and dotted up there on that one. So there's my cards. I hope you guys like them, and thanks for watching. Bye.